You came down from Iowa?
Come down from Iowa.
Oh, well, that's not a deal breaker. We're going to change the tires. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Well, this is the original barn find, right? It's, what, never been driven?
Little old lady had it, and she didn't go to church.
So it never
But
got
she
drove?
did. No, she drove it to the liquor store.
Oh, all right.
Yeah,
Is that what those couple scrapes are on the side, I see?
Well, you know, after you go to the liquor store, what happens?
All right. The Monster Garage is coming together. What do you think? I'm not getting you overloaded here, am I?
It's never too much.
That's what I want to hear, because the container's coming Friday.
Awesome. We got a hole for it out here.
Yeah. What's going on here?
We're stripping this down. Getting pieces.
Most of it looked pretty good?
Yeah, pretty good. What we can see.
For 100 years old. If I looked that good, all red and shiny in 100 years.
Brother.
Like my dad.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you think, Bert? You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we got, wow, that looks like a nice engine.
Lawnmower.
Simple. That would barely run a lawnmower. Okay, I guess it doesn't get much more basic than this, does it?
No, it does not. This is straight up basic.
All right. I'm not having too much fun. All the old cars are here. I'm done for a while. Oh, we got the old chassis all apart. Oh, we got stuff everywhere. Taking over the shop. How does it look, guys?
Not so bad.
Missing a valve.
Yes.
Missing a few parts. You really need all those things?
You don't need all of them.
Well, we're checking out the new ride. What do you think? That's gonna work. Yeah. All right, so one of my bright ideas, of course, is to put this 12T on a Suburban frame that I got from a neighbor. It's got the 454 and what, Bert, 390 horsepower? Yep. So we took off a lot of weight, and we're trying to figure out, that looks a little bit long for the hood. 7 feet, maybe we're going to go 5 or 6. So we got to bring the frame in a little tighter, change this rear suspension, and move the gas tank. Change the fenders a little bit, some bigger tires, some headers, and then the diamond plate and some lights. And we're good to go. I think it's going to be fine. Should we fire this one up? Let's see what this sounds like.
Hit your key there.
Oh, look at that. Oh, this is crazy. Yeah. Doesn't quite have the same tone.
Not yet.
We need the header. Well, we're making some progress in the old Ford. Got some new wheels. We got to see if we can start with the wheels on building up the Ford. The Unimog is all coming back together.
Yeah.
They fit? These are fresh off the slow boat from China. It took a month to get here. Was it worth it? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, all the body panels are coming together. Well, I got some stiff competition, it looks like, today. I got some stiff competition out here, and it's going to be great. Looking forward to seeing everybody. So we're glad to see you. I got a new bouncer here.
Yep.
I heard you were the guy to beat, and I think I'm the guy to beat. What do you think?
Yeah.
You scared?
No, I'm just excited to see something new out. So it's always good to have something new to race against. You never know what can happen. It's a wild, crazy sport.
Yeah. Are we going to go side by side on
We're
the
gonna go
first
side by
one?
side. Yes, sir. We are. We're gonna line them up.
I'm psyched. I'm thinking you're in doo-doo.
Yep. Never know. Never know what can happen.
Okay. Wow, it's fun driving around in the old car. It seems to run pretty good. We got lots of water running down everywhere. It's kind of muddy. It's sloppy. And see how those guys do in all that mess. What do you think about the old car?
I love the old car. It's awesome.
Okay.